Ever been stranded without service, desperately needing directions? Today, I'm going to show you how to avoid that frustration and download Google Maps for offline use. First, make sure you have the Google Maps app installed on your smartphone. Open the app and ensure you are logged in with your Google account. This is crucial for saving your offline maps. Next, tap on your profile icon located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. This will bring up a menu with various options related to your account and settings. Scroll down and find the option labeled Offline Maps. Tap on it. This will lead you to the section where you can manage and download map areas for offline access. On the Offline Maps screen, tap the button that says Select Your Own Map. This allows you to choose the specific area you want to download. Now, you'll see a map. Use 2 fingers to zoom in or out, and drag the map to center the area you want to download. A blue rectangle will indicate the area you've selected. Keep in mind that larger areas require more storage space. Once you're happy with the selected area, tap the Download button in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see a progress bar indicating the download status. The time it takes will depend on the size of the map area and your internet speed. Once the download is complete, the map will be listed on your Offline Maps screen. You'll see its name, size, and expiration date. Google Maps will automatically update these maps periodically if you have an internet connection. Now, even without an internet connection, you can use Google Maps for navigation, search for places, and view detailed map information within the downloaded area. This is perfect for travel or areas with poor connectivity. Happy travels!